Here's another example of the meter set for continuity measurement, and in this case we're going to get an erroneous reading. It's because we have a capacitor. This capacitor has a little bit of a charge on it, not much, and you probably shouldn't try doing this because you could hurt your meter if you're not careful. But in this case, when we put the probes on, as you can tell, it's indicating that we have continuity for a period of time. And if we were to reverse the probes now, we're going to find that, again, we're going to have continuity. And really what's happening is we are charging this capacitor. It was initially charged a little bit, and every time we try to do a continuity measurement, we end up charging the capacitor in the opposite direction. And if we were doing quick measurements in a circuit and we're using continuity and there happens to be some voltage stored on a capacitor between a couple wires or some other source that has managed to be stored in some other means, or there's a bleed off in the circuit, when we take these measurements with the meter, it is possible that we could measure continuity between 2 points that there really is not a continuous path. There just happens to be some legacy voltage out there where things have not discharged, or if the circuit's live, again it could indicate that there's continuity between two paths. If you're watching this meter when we take the measurements, you will also notice that the display is acting rather erratic. I guess that's one we already did. Let's try the other way. There we go. And you can see we got a negative number. Now it's passing through zero and going positive, and then finally the continuity indication goes off. So that can be an indication that you're measuring something other than continuity, some voltage present in the circuit that you weren't really anticipating being there. It's something to keep in mind, because if you're going quick and you're not paying attention to what's happening, you're just listening for the tone, it may lead you down the wrong path.